Hello, it's April and welcome to Snapdragon Hollow. Today I'm here to share with you a very fun new Polly Pocket Collector's Edition set here. This one just came out. It was just released on Amazon. This is the Polly Pocket and The Office collaboration here for the Polly Pocket Collector's sets. I absolutely love these sets. I've mentioned in a previous video that I love Polly Pocket and that I hope to share all of these collector's editions with you at some point. I have all of them so far, but I thought I would go ahead and kick it off with this one since this one is the newest one that just came out. So I love The Office. I have watched through it. Me and my husband have watched through it many times. We think it's hilarious and we love the story again. Like I said, we have watched through The Office many times, as I'm sure many of you also have. So I was so excited when I saw the Polly Pocket Collector The Office edition was coming out. I think that this is so cute, and I'm very eager to open it up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the package art first. That's one of the wonderful things about these Polly Pocket Collectors sets here is the box art is just fabulous. So I am going to be opening it up though. I will preserve the box packaging, but I love to open up my Polly Pocket sets, and we are going to definitely be doing that today. So you can see all of the characters here. Looks like we've got Jim here and Michael Scott, and of course Dwight here. So we've got those three here. I was really impressed. I've seen some pictures of these and I feel like they did a fabulous job getting these characters into the little Polly Pocket character. I think that they just did wonderfully. Here's the other side, some more pictures from The Office here. Of course, we've got Pam behind the desk there and Kevin. Let's see what we have back here. Just some pictures of The Office, and here's a quick look at the set here. It looks like the coffee mug here, World's Best Boss, and then it opens up to this Dunder Mifflin little miniature office world here. Here's the top of the box. Let's see if we can flip this around. You can see just a desk. And let's see. And then we have this side here. I think that this is meant to be Kelly Kapoor. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments if you think I'm wrong there. But then they've got the little break room here with all the snack machines and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead now and get this all opened up, and we're going to take a look at this new Polly Pocket Collector's Compact. Here's what the inside of the package looks like. It's in this nice collector's case here, so if you want to display it like this out on a shelf or something, it's got the protective dust cover. This is the bottom of the box there. So you just kind of release the tape and this slides out. It does come with a little instruction manual here that looks like a little office file folder. It says Dunder Mifflin Ink Paper Company, and it kind of just walks through how to open this up here. You can slide it out, you can take it out. Looks like it's got some drawers back there, perhaps with some of the items that we'll need. That's neat. Okay, yeah, that's what it looks like there. It's nice that they kind of give you instructions here. And it looks like it shows you how to set up the backdrop here as well. And it looks like there are some keys here for it as well. So I'll have to take a look at this instruction packet here just so I don't miss any of the items. And you can see all the little items that it comes with. So many different characters in this set. It's really impressive. Okay, so now we've got this here. Let's take a quick close-up look, and then I will get it out of this package as well. We've got some items from Michael's desk there, and in the back you can see some of the things like in his office. So now I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the box. So it's out of its little display box here with its plastic cover, and we've got the cardboard that it sits on. It instructs you to lift this open here and lift it up, and it's not keys, it's just the keys to release it from its display, which, you know, if you want to keep it in this display box, you can go ahead and keep those and set them back up for later. So there's two of them, and we'll just go ahead and twist that like so to release it, just like, you know, a lot of the standard toy packaging comes with. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this back together So we still have our display. I think it's really nice that they make this so that you can put it back together in package if that's the way you want to store it or display it. It gives you multiple options. You can keep this out and open, just ready to use, or you can keep it in its display box. I think that's really a nice design feature there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off here so we can see the compact. Here is the outside of the compact. This is so cute. It's got the little Polly Pocket label here and the office here. Very nice. That is so cute. There's coffee in the top. World's Best Boss. We've got a hinge here and a hinge here. So that's interesting. I'll have to figure out how we open this up here. Ah, there we go. Okay, before we get into the little drawers here with all of the little miniatures, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the compact. It looks like it opens up like that. Okay, so we've got the inside of the office here. And you can see all the artwork on the walls there. Definitely, they've really captured the Dunder Mifflin office. Here's Pam's desk, the copier. The chair swivels here. The drawer opens up like so. We've got our little computers. Let's see, what's this? I know that there are some moving pieces. So we've got that there. Another swiveling chair. Her little pencil case. The printer tray opens and closes. That's really neat. I love the moving parts here. I think that that's wonderful. Got a little couch there, the little waiting area at the front of the office. I think that's cute. And we've got a few peg holes here for the dolls. Up in the top here, we've got a little cat and a little bat. That is a very funny episode as well. We've got that bat there. And then the sides open up here like so. In the top portion of the mug here, let's go ahead and take a close-up look at each little section here. We've got a vending machine. It looks like in the break room there. Here we have the little party room. That's cute with the TV and chairs, and it says, "It's your birthday." They're always having the birthday parties. That's hilarious. We've got this little area here and another desk area here. That is so cute. So much detail on this set. I'm very, very impressed. Wow, this is so fun. I'm so excited to be adding this to my Polly Pocket collection. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into the little drawers here. I think that, again, that's so cute that they come packaged like this. Dunder Mifflin Paper Company. Got little lines on the back. That's so cute. I think I'm going to open these papers carefully. They're really pretty cute. And then we've got this one here. So it looks like that's all of the papers in there. It's so nice that they look like little file boxes. And also, again, you could put them back in there if you want to store them in there or whatever. I just think it's so great that they have this all set up for both usability and displayability. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this one first. I'm just going to cut it. It does have tear strips, but I kind of want to preserve the packaging there. I think it's very cute. And we've got a bunch of the characters here. Oh, and some accessories. Okay, so we've got a little pumpkin head here, and this can go on a doll. That's cute. Here we have Pam. Again, I think they captured the characters so well in these little Polly Pocket figures. That really does look like Pam. That's awesome. Here we have Jim. He's got his sort of long-haired look here. Oh, that's so cute. His little shirt and tie. Very much, again, captures the character there. And this one I'm really impressed with as well. This is so accurate. This is a little Dwight character here. With his glasses and his classic outfit there. So adorable. Wow. And then we have the picture of the Dunder Mifflin office here from Pam that Michael Scott hung on the wall. I always loved that. I thought that was so sweet. And let's see, we've got a little teeny tiny teapot here. We have a beet for Dwight there. That is wonderful. Okay, let's see, we'll put that in front of Dwight. And oh, here we have the stapler in the Jell-O mold. Wow, the attention to detail is wonderful. Again, I can't say enough how impressed I am with this set. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the next one. So here we have Michael Scott. There he is. Put him next to Jim. Here's Kevin. So cute. Again, really accurate. And then Kelly here. Adorable. They could almost come out with a part 2 of this, or like accessory characters, because I mean, looking at these, it makes me want the rest of the characters. Here we have the World's Best Boss mug in tiny. So we've got the big one is the case and the tiny one here for Michael Scott's desk. Put that over here by Michael. And we've got the little Golden Dundie award here. Little Dundie statue. That's cute. I'm not sure. I think this is perhaps a cooking pot. And we have the little bandana that Michael Scott wore in one of the episodes. I don't remember that one as much. Again, I need to rewatch this again. It's probably been at least 1.5 years, maybe 2 years since I've watched through it. For a while there, we were just watching it over and over again. So we took a little break, but again, it's definitely making me want to watch this again. Okay, so let's take a quick look at these and then we'll get them put in the compact. So here are all the miniatures that this set comes with again. Super adorable. I think my favorite of the accessories has to be this little Jell-O mold here, and well, I love the beet as well, and the Dundie. So cute. Actually, I really like them all, though. I think they really picked some good ones, some good accessories here for this. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put our characters in the compact here, and we'll check that out. Okay, so I have all the accessories in the compact here. I've put Pam at her desk here, and I will say it is very difficult to keep the little characters seated in the chairs. The slightest movement, they kind of keep wanting to fall out. But I imagine if you just mess around with it a little bit, you could easily get them to stay. I've got Kevin here at the copy machine. There he is. There, as you can see there, Pam just fell out again. That's okay. I just wanted her sitting at her desk for now. I thought that was cute because we've got Jim here, you know, chatting with Pam. There's the teapot next to them. There's Dwight here next to his desk area. And his beet there, we've got the Dundie and the Jell-O mold stapler there as well. Up here, I've put Michael Scott here in the little room where he gives his little talks and they have their parties. Here's Kelly. I've put the mug on Michael Scott's desk there, and this pot here on the break room counter. And here's something else that I noticed. I didn't notice this until I was looking at it closer. It says Dunder Mifflin up here, but you can flip it and it becomes the Michael Scott Paper Company ink. So that is, again, another really wonderful attention to detail there that I just think makes this set so impressive. And then I've hung the picture of the building there on this outside panel here. Of course, we will have to move Kelly to shut this. Same with Michael Scott there. That won't close there with him in that. So you do have to kind of put the characters probably, I would say, laying down around here in the bottom or on some of those pegs down here. In a minute here, I'll get that all closed up and set back up as the mug in our little display stand here. You could also display it, you know, opened up like this. Let's see if I can transfer it without dropping any of the accessories. You can display it like this as well if you want. boy, this is just such an incredibly fun set. Here's one more look at it. So cute. Wow, I'm just super impressed. This has to be one of my favorites that they've come out with so far. I know they're going to be coming out with more in the future too. I believe they're coming out with a Wizard of Oz themed one or a Wicked themed one. I'm not sure which it is. I believe it's Wicked, though that one's going to be really fun. And again, I will be reviewing the other ones that I haven't opened up so far, just so that we can see the complete collection. I may do those in dedicated videos, or we may open up a couple per video. Because yes, I believe I have the other 4. And again, I also have all of the Polly Pocket Keepsake collection to share with you. So very fun. Let me know in the comments below if you are a fan of The Office, or if you'll be picking up this wonderful Polly Pocket Collector's set here of The Office. I think that this is a wonderful piece. I'm so happy with this. I can't wait to show this to my family members who I know are also big fans of The Office. I think they're going to get a kick out of how detailed this set is. I'm going to go ahead and close this up. See how it closes up here. Again, we'll move Michael Scott from here. Just kind of set them in there. That can close like so. And let's see, I think we'll have to move the pumpkin down here. Close it just like so. And then we just close it like that. And there we have our cup of coffee. That is adorable. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this wonderful Polly Pocket Collector's The Office set here. And I hope everyone is having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.